Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along, you saw our trailer build series. I called it done. The restoration of the trailer is done. The rack is built, tent and awning are on it. She's ready to go camping. So I'm considering this build done. However, like any Jeep or off-road vehicle or anything that gets modified, they're never really done. So I received a delivery today. Gonna get these stabilizers mounted up. So we're gonna have these come off the back corners, so when we're parked and camping, and drop these out, crank the tongue up a little bit, and have that thing set and more solid. So let's get to it. Okay, this is gonna go pretty easy. They look like they're mounted, but they're only halfway there. There were some holes already in the bottom of the frame, but they didn't quite line up. There was one pretty perfect spaced, and then one was too close. Alright, got the holes drilled, got all the bolts in, we're mounted up, so camping should be nice and stable now.